Hello, my name is Robert Mwaluseke from Kilimo Trust. I'll be taking you through the digital information packages as offered by IMAP4CSA project implemented in Iringa district, Iringa region. IMAP4CSA project stands for Iringa Mitigation, Adaptation and Productivity for Climate Smart Agriculture. The project is being implemented by Kilimo Trust and Likolto. IMAP4CSA project is a 2-year project funded by Belgium Development Corporation through their company ENAPE. The project aims to achieve 3 main goals. 1, mitigation action to climate change, contributing to reduction of greenhouse emission gas up to 20%, reduction of water use of 15%, and higher nutrient use efficiency of 15%. 2, adaptation to climate change, contributing to increased access to digital solutions of 50%, contributing to an increased farmers' adaptation to climate change by providing them with what we call actionable information services based on the digital data system, which support them in the better decisions making, especially in risk management. And lastly, productivity and income increase. The digital solutions proposed by Kilimo Trust and Likolto is expected to contribute to 50% increase in yield, direct benefiting more than 10,000 farmers. Basically, the digital information services are categorized into mainly 2 groups. One being farmer plot mapping and profiling, and the second is SRP training and feedback to farmers, which also include the GAP and GPHH knowledge. Data processing matrix for mapping farmers' plots and profiling farmers' informations. It involves data capturing, processing, and packaging of digital SMS. The process starts from mapping farmers' plot and profiling farmers' information up to the delivery of SMS to farmers. Mapping farmers' rice plots and profiling farmers' information in the field is done by VBA using tablets, as you can see. The data are then sent to the ODK database for data quality check and validations. Once the data are checked and are found to have errors, they are then sent back to the VBAs for both correction of errors and, if possible, reprofiling and remapping. After the data has been checked and verified, then transferred to the KT online platform, Kilimo Trust online platform, for both processing, analysis, visualizations, and storage. Anyone with a login credential to Kilimo Trust online platform can log in and access the information stored in our KT online platform, as you can see. The data from Kilimo Trust platform, they are then transferred to packaging platform for storage, compilations, and processing. The informations now from the Kilimo Trust online platform, KT online platform, they are then transferred to the SMS packaging platforms, as you can see, for both compilations, packaging, and then sending to the farmers as SMAs. Shall the sending of SMS to the farmers fail by any reasons, whether the phone numbers of the farmer is not reachable or the farmer has changed the phone number, they are sent back to the SMS packaging platform for rechecking the reason why the SMS failed, and then resent back to the farmers now for the farmer to take what we call actionable information as per the information from the SMS. Another digital information package is what we call Sustainable Rice Production Standards, SRP, equipped with also the what we call good agronomic practices and good post-harvest handling. These digital package informations starts from what we call introduction of SRP concept to stakeholders, value chain actors, and VBAs down to the schemes, followed by a baseline study where the data collections and cleaning is done and the analysis. The analyzed data are then measured in terms of score against the SRP parameters, and then the results are packed into digital informations and communicated back to the farmers through SMS via their phones. On other ends, The feedback meetings are conducted in what we call the cluster feedback meetings. Now to give back again the feedback to the farmers, as you can see. Organized training are conducted to lead farmers and TOTs specifically on the SRP parameters, the GAP and GPHH knowledge. Now these are the one again train the farmers on the ground, and the farmers take those trainings and do the implementations during farm preparation, farm management, and up to the harvesting and post-harvest. Then the informations are analyzed, scored, and again measured against SRP parameters. And then the scores are then packed into what we call the digital informations, communicated again back to the farmers through the same, again, SMS on their phones. The feedback are also, again, communicated back to the farmers through the cluster meetings, cluster feedback meeting, where now the farmers plan on how to address what we call the missing threshold for now the next season. So those are the major category of the digital information packages as being delivered to farmers by the IMAP4CSA project. Thank you for listening. Asante sana.